Hello everybody, I hope your week's going well. It's a supplemental video to help you with your first homework assignment and meet the goal of everybody having access to a shared project that's shared with your instructor. Fusion 360 has changed how this functions over the past 6 months, and so we'll be learning together how the team functions work across the new interface. Okay, first we're going to select on the 9 dots up here at the top left. It's called the data panel, and it'll show the data panel, which is your storage locations, file management. It may default to owned by me, which would be your content that you've created. And we're going to switch this from owned by me to shared with me, okay, on the left. If you're not seeing a directory here that I have shared with you, it's most likely because you're not in the team for the class. You need to go over to, move your cursor all the way to the other side of the screen, and select on your name. And you're going to scroll down to where it says Switch Teams. And most likely you won't have as many teams showing as I do if you're new to Fusion. But you're going to switch it from your own name to the team that's in the name of the class, which is ADVM-62-T-Frazee. Select on the team for the class, and it will display up here at the top that you're currently in that team for access. Under your shared with me, if this is set to share with me, there should appear a folder that has your name. So here's an example of all the folders I've created. There should be one with your name on it, and that's really all you should be able to see within that team. If you're not able to access the team ADVM-62-T-Frazee, you may need to install an additional software patch on your workstation. And to access that, you're going to select on the title here where it says the team name. Another window should open in a web browser. And it'll have information here. And go to the icon that has your initials. It might be a different color. And it should open a list of teams that you have access to. And down at the bottom, there's an option to install Desktop Connector for Fusion. I believe that has to be installed on the desktop of the machine you're using for you to have access to teams in the student version. You'll select that says Install Desktop Connector for Fusion. And down on the left, if you're using a PC, it'll show a download progress of a executable file. Okay, in my case, I already have this installed. So it says Repair, Uninstall. If you come up with this menu, you already have Autodesk Connector installed. You can just hit Close. If it comes up with an installation prompt, please follow the prompts. Install the software. I believe it'll make you restart the computer after installation. You'll have to at least restart Fusion. At that point, rewind to where we started in this video and go through the steps to see if you can access the shared team of ADVM-62-T-Frazee within Fusion 360. I hope this helps, and we'll see you in class.